Welcome, Perfect Stitchers. Jen here with the Perfect Stitch Fibre Company, and I just wanted to come on here and do a little tutorial on my Perfect Stitch Fibre Company project planner. Now, I know that some of you have seen the project planner picker, project picker planner, but we also have a project planner. And I'm going to show you a little bit about it. So stay tuned.
Here is our Perfect Project Picker Planner, which is our digital planner that can be used with GoodNotes, and you're also able to print it off if you choose to. So in it we have knitting abbreviations. We also have our current WIP list, and one thing I love about this is being able to add an image. So currently I'm working on, see if I can find a picture. Apparently they don't want to. There's a million photos of my child. One of my children. Throw in some yarn, I suppose. I'm gonna throw. There we go. So we have some yarn that we can throw in there. So this is a sleeveless top that I'm working on that I'm fairly certain I will frog and start anew. But I love being able to add pictures. I also love that you are able to add additional pages. So if you want to add a new page, so say you fill this current WIP list, or you want to put it for each month. So as a way to keep track, you can go like this. There's the little paper with the plus sign, and you hit current template. And then if you want to move this to, now in this planner, we also have project pages for each of the month. So what we can do is we go to this waffle up here, and let me show you what the months look like. I'm going to move this down to January. Well, that's not what I wanted. That didn't work. Okay, so I'm going to go to January. So here is what our project page looks like. And we also have additional project pages in the back of the planner, and you can copy those and you can move those also, which is what I had just done, which you can do for the current WIP list as well. And you can do that so you can keep track of each month what you're working on. So you can finish either projects if you finish them, or if you don't and you want to carry them over to the next month, you'll have that at hand. Or maybe you want to put them in timeout and start on new projects. It's kind of up to you. So we keep going through, we've got March, April, May, obviously all the way through December projects. And then we get to our year in review. And this is just a place where you can kind of look back on your favorite projects, your favorite yarn, and we make it really easy because you have this planner already in place, as long as you've been writing in it, and you can throw in what your favorites are. So then that way for the next year you kind of have an idea of stuff that you might want to do again, or similar, I should say. And you can also keep track of completed projects, incomplete projects. I know some people like to try and finish all the WIPs, but it doesn't always happen. So sometimes we can put that number there, and then we can use it for the next year. And then we can also include images. Obviously you can put images wherever, but I like to keep it neat and tidy, and put them down here. You can also keep track of how many skeins of yarn you used if you keep track of how many skeins of yarn go into your stash and how many go out. And that is all for our Perfect Project Picker Planner. And it's really easy to use in GoodNotes. You can write in it. Let me go back to January. Remember, you just go to the waffle and you can scroll back up. So like for January, and then I'm going to go to the pencil. I am working on the Mystery Cow, the Westnitz Mystery Cow, which is called the Slipstravaganza. And it's by Westnitz. Anyone else not name their pattern something different? Because I know I don't. It is currently in my sheep project bag. I am using, I think it's Chow Goose. Is that right? I think so. Let's see, I think I started this back in November maybe? And then I'm still working on it. And then you can add photos. Let's see, am I going to be able to add photos? Let's see, insert from, I gotta see if I can find it. I know I downloaded one, but maybe it's not in here. Might not have shown up. Okay, so we're just gonna throw, oh wait, nope, there it is. Found it. Okay, and then you can move that like that. Drag it over here. And then we can just have pictures and progress pictures as you go. And it's really nice and easy to keep track of, and I love this. Very simple. We only charge $2, and obviously as a digital download it's non-refundable, but it's only $2, so it's worth a shot giving it a try. All right, so go check it out on the website www.theperfectstitchfibrecompany.com. Love you guys.